Let's begin by making a magic knot. Then chain 1, then make 2 double crochets together into the magic ring. So grab the yarn and insert the hook into the magic ring, grab the yarn and pull through the magic ring. Now you have 3 loops on the hook, grab the yarn and pull through 2. Again grab the yarn and insert the hook into the magic ring, grab the yarn and pull through the magic ring. Now you have 4 loops on the hook, grab the yarn and pull through 2. Now you have 3 loops on the hook, grab the yarn and pull through all 3. Then chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Then again we have to do 3 double crochets together. Grab the yarn and insert the hook into the magic circle, grab the yarn and pull through, grab the yarn and pull through 2. Then you have 2 loops on the hook, grab the yarn and insert the hook into the magic circle, grab the yarn and pull through the magic circle, grab the yarn and pull through 2. Now you have 3 loops on the hook, grab the yarn and insert the hook into the magic circle, grab the yarn and pull through the magic circle, grab the yarn and pull through 2. Now you have 4 loops on the hook. So when you have 4 loops on the hook, you can grab the yarn and pull through all 4. So this is 3 double crochets together. Then chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Then you need to do the same thing for another 3 times. Like 3 double crochets together into the magic ring, then chain 3. 3 double crochets together into the magic ring and then chain 3. Like that you need to continue until you get 5 petals. Then you have to pull this tail to close the magic ring. And put a slip stitch into the chain here. Now we have completed the first round, and then you have to move the loop to the chain 3 space over here. For that, insert the hook into the chain 3 space, grab the yarn, pull through the chain 3 space and pull through the loop. Now you can see the loop has moved to the chain 3 space. Now chain 1 and make a half double crochet into the same chain 3 space. So grab the yarn and insert the hook into the same chain 3 space, grab the yarn and pull through. Then you have 3 loops on the hook, grab the yarn and pull through all 3. Then chain 1 and make another 2 half double crochets to the same chain 3 space. So grab the yarn and insert the hook into the same chain 3 space, grab the yarn and pull through, grab the yarn and pull through all 3. Again grab the yarn and insert the hook into the same chain 3 space, grab the yarn and pull through, grab the yarn and pull through all 3. Now chain 1 and make another 2 half double crochets to the next chain 3 space. So grab the yarn and insert the hook into the next chain 3 space, grab the yarn and pull through, grab the yarn and pull through all 3. Again another one. Then chain 1 and another 2 half double crochets to the same chain 3 space. Then again chain 1. So this is the pattern you have to continue until the end of this row. So make 2 half double crochets to the next chain 3 space, then chain 1 and another 2 half double crochets to the same chain 3 space, then chain 1. Then do the same thing to the next chain space, and you have to continue like that until the end of this row and meet me back. Now I have completed the second round, so then put a slip stitch into the second chain on the start like this, and then you need to put a slip stitch to the next chain over here. Basically we are going to move the loop into the first chain space over here. So insert the hook into the next stitch, grab the yarn and pull through the stitch, then pull through the loop. Now we have moved the loop into the second stitch, so then the chain 1 space comes, so we have to move the loop into that space. So insert the hook into that space, grab the yarn and pull through, then pull through the loop. Now you can see the loop is there on the chain 1 space. Now we are going to start the final round. So we need to work 4 half double crochets into the next chain 1 space, that is this. So grab the yarn and insert the hook into the chain 1 space, grab the yarn and pull through, grab the yarn and pull through all 3. So you need to do the same thing for another 3 times. Okay, now we have completed 4 half double crochets into the same chain 1 space, then chain 3, 1, 2 and 3, then a slip stitch to the third chain from the hook. So this is the first chain from the hook, second chain from the hook, the third chain from the hook. So insert the hook into the third chain from the hook, grab the yarn and pull through the chain, then pull through the loop. Now this is the slip stitch. Then we have to work another 4 half double crochets to the same chain 1 space. One, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, then we need to work a slip stitch to the next chain 1 space. The same thing you have to continue until the end. So for the next chain 1 space you need to work 4 half double crochets, chain 3 and a slip stitch to the third chain from the hook, then again another 4 half double crochets, then a slip stitch to the next chain 1 space. So like that you have to continue until the end of this row. Okay, now I have completed the final round. So then to finish it off we need to put a slip stitch to the chain over here to the first chain 1 space, and chain 1 and pull the loop, and you can cut the yarn off. Okay, then take your yarn needle and you can insert the needle into the few stitches like this, and you can run the tail through those stitches and cut the excess piece of yarn. Just like the same, hide the other tail too. Now we will see how to insert the jump ring and the hook ear wire into the earring. So take your jump ring and open it up using the plier, and you can insert that into a stitch like this. And insert the hook ear wire into the jump ring and secure that with the plier. Now we have completed our earrings. So I hope I have explained it clearly for you. So if you have any question regarding making this, you can just ask me on the comment section below. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to share and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much for watching.